Hi, Ashok. How are you? And what are you doing these days?
I am good friend. How are you?
No, you are not well. You are looking very upset. I have never seen you this worried. You are always a happy guy. What happened?
I'm getting sick of work, mate. I can't tolerate this much of politics in the company.
Did you just get your review or something?
Yeah, but that's not why I'm upset. I just found out that another guy got promotion. He doesn't know how to do anything. He sits there all day just like that. Not even does the bare minimum.
Something? That's nonsense. I understand your frustration. They shouldn't have hired such a guy in the first place.
How that happened? I mean, he must have cleared the interview to get the job, right?
Maybe he was hired on someone's personal recommendations. Some people do this for their relatives or for someone to return a favor. I'm not saying that it's right, but it does happen.
I never thought about this aspect. Now that I think about it,
I never asked the guy about his interview or the selection process.
There you go.
I'm just pissed that management can't see behind his smooth-talking lies.
Leave it, bro. This is just a part and parcel of the job. Exactly.